Hey guys, welcome back to the channel How to Record Audio in Canva. So we will just teach you recording audio made easy. So first of all, we will just have to play this video. So basically this is a travel vlog video and I want to record my audio in this video. So we will just move in this share icon, just tap on it. And as you can see, if I just have to little bit scroll down and we will just tap on it, see more. And there is present and record. So we will just tap on it. And now you will just have to record yourself while taking over a presentation shared with students, friends, or colleges using a public view link. So we will just have to go for the recording studio. So here you will just have to integrate it with the webcam, or if you have not, so you will just have to say no camera. So right over here, you will just have to select it your microphone from here and just have to start recording. So when your recording is recorded, so you will simply just have to end recording. So this will be uploading on your recordings. After, you will just have to save and exit. So you will just have to go for the uploads and you will just have to upload from here your audio file. We will just tap and go for the downloads and you will just have to select it from here, and after you will just have to put it. So in this way, you will just have to record audio in Canva. Thank you so much for watching.